Consider a world in which, where everything is flawless, no discomfort, no illness, no pain, just enjoyment, comfort, and beauty. Doesn't that sound like a dream? However, but if that dream it was a prison, really? This is the tale of the day Prince Siddhartha left the palace. And experienced life's reality for the first time. The dawn sun illuminated Kapilavastu's golden walls. There was a lot of celebrating, dancing, and music within the palace. Prince Siddhartha Gautam was surrounded by opulent silk clothing, lovely gardens, infinite feasts. He already had everything a man could want. However, underlying all of this beauty, there was a slight stirring inside him, an emotion he was unable to describe, an unease. Siddhartha had been shielded since the day of his birth, not from peril, but from the actual world. A realm of illusion was built by King Suddhodana out of fear of the prophecy. Within the palace, nobody aged, nobody became ill, nobody perished. A servant was replaced if they showed signs of weakness. If someone was in pain, they were concealed. Siddhartha saw only happiness, health, and youth. However, the truth cannot remain concealed indefinitely. A pleasant breeze blew through the palace gardens one evening. Standing on his balcony was Siddhartha. He peered past the walls of the palace. He wondered for the first time. What's out there? There's more, a soft voice inside him said. Siddhartha observed a feeble, hunched man who was having trouble walking. He had white hair, his whole body shook. What's wrong with him? Siddhartha inquired, softly. Channa answered, My prince, he's old. Every man ages. Siddhartha felt a shiver go through his body, even him. Even all the people he cherished. Not long afterward, he noticed another man, lying on the floor, in agony, powerless. What became of him? He is ill. Everyone gets sick. The universe of Siddhartha started to tremble. The most startling sight then appeared. A group of individuals transporting a dead body, shedding tears, mourning. Is he dozing off? Siddhartha inquired. No, he's dead. We must all die one day. Right then and there, everything was altered. However, after that, Siddhartha had a distinct perspective. A man strolling calmly, basic attire, calm expression. Do not be afraid. Who is he? He's a seeker. In search of truth, he has abandoned everything. That day, for the first time, Siddhartha was filled with hope. That evening, the palace had a new vibe, unlike a house, however, like a cage. The truth had come to light. There was more to life than beauty. It was in pain. However, there had to be a way out somewhere, and from the bottom of his heart, a choice was starting to take shape. Take a deep breath. And remember, true wisdom begins when we step outside comfort. Subscribe to Just Breathe for more spiritual stories.